Thank you so much, Bharti, and I would like to thank Krypton India for organizing this amazing event, the Innovation Summit and Awards. I think they are here for the first time in Delhi, and they have done a wonderful job of gathering so many people across the industries, and I've thoroughly enjoyed the event today. And of course, this award has come as a pleasant surprise, and I'm honored and humbled to receive it. So I truly believe there is no substitute for hard work. And now, after 2 decades working in different industries, it comes as a great reward for all the effort that was not only put in individually by me, but there is always a team and mentors behind what one achieves. So this is an opportunity for me to thank all my mentors, my past managers, current team, and everyone who has contributed, including my family, to support me in continuing to follow my passions, which is the customer first. So I have been in the customer experience space in every organization that I have worked in the last 2 decades, and I have thoroughly ensured that with times, innovation as well as digital business transformation has been my forte. And starting things from the scratch and scaling them up for enhancing the overall value that is given to the organization has always been my goal.
Interesting. I think hard work is the key to success, as you mentioned, and it is not just one person, it's the entire team. So glad you recognize that, and we are encouraging more and more people to come and support each other. Also, I would want to know, could you enlighten us on how you felt about being the part of the CX Innovation Summit and Awards 2024?
Sure, it's been a pleasure, and as I said, it's very well organized. And I think the best part is one, this event is driven by 2 young women leaders, and kudos to them. It is not easy to pull up an event at such a large scale. And the second, what I noticed is there are participants from across industries.
Yeah.
So it's a very well thought and very well rounded event. There were so many great insights in the sessions that happened from various different industries. So it's been a great learning experience.
Thank you. I hope to see you again next year. The last question, as an industry leader, what is the best piece of advice you would like to give for any aspirant who would want to start their journey in customer experience?
Wow, that's a great question, and it's not easy to summarize in a short way, but I would try. So the first point is customer first approach. Organizations exist because of the customer. So if that's the mindset that any organization works with, success is bound to happen. And all the basics, getting the basics right, a very strong foundation is required for the success, overall success, right? So first time right, ensuring omni-channel presence these days, as well as moving up with the technology, right? These are some of the key points, I would say, which have to be omnipresent in any organization.
Okay, thank you so much. It was so nice talking to you and so nice having you. Thank you.